The first pro is probably the most obvious, which is there's a ton of potential upside. Because cryptocurrency is still such a new asset class, a lot of people are still scared to invest in cryptocurrency, a lot of people still don't really understand it. And more countries are starting to adopt it, so if it continues to grow in adoption, well then you can see a lot of potential upside. Pro number 2 is this idea of cryptocurrency being borderless and decentralized, because now if I bring cryptocurrency in the United States and I put it in my cold wallet, meaning to my USB drive, I could fly to Mexico and I could take my cryptocurrency. I can go to India and use my cryptocurrency. I can go anywhere over the world. And my money, my cryptocurrency can go with me and I can spend that money in theory. It's not the same with stocks and real estate, because with real estate, if I had to leave the United States, which is where my real estate is, well, my real estate is not coming with me. Likewise, if I wanted to take my stocks to a different country, that runs into a lot of financial regulations, and I'd have to sell my stocks in the United States and then take that money somewhere else. So it's not as direct. Pro number 3, which some people might consider a con, is a 24/7 access to the cryptocurrency market versus the stock market, which is not open 24 hours a day for everybody yet. Yes, there is some after hours trading, some before hours trading, but that's not really very accessible. But in the cryptocurrency world, it is 24/7. And last but not least, number 4 is that with cryptocurrency, again, like stocks, you don't need a ton of money to start. You don't need $10,000 to start investing in cryptocurrency. You can start investing with as little as $10. But just like stocks and real estate, it's not all sunshine and rainbows with cryptocurrency either. In fact, cryptocurrency is the most volatile. Between 2017, when I started investing in cryptocurrency, and today, we have seen a number of market crashes in cryptocurrency, way more than stocks, and we really haven't seen a market crash in real estate over the last decade. The last real market crash in real estate was during the 2008 financial crisis, but with cryptocurrency, there's been a lot of crashes. Con number 2, cryptocurrency has the highest risk. Number 1, it has not proven the test of time. It is still a very new asset class. Number 2, we don't know how well it is actually going to be adopted and if that adoption is going to stay. And number 3, well, there's a lot of uncertainty. This speculative nature makes cryptocurrency much more risky, which means you can make a lot more money, but you can lose all that money just as fast. 3, there's a lot of regulation concerns and risks. Right now, the Trump administration seems to be a little bit more pro cryptocurrency, but the next president might not be. And because of how new cryptocurrency is, there's a lot of concerns as to how regulations can impact cryptocurrency, not to mention foreign country regulations on cryptocurrency, because this is decentralized, or is supposed to be. And because of that, what different countries do can impact the prices and stability and safety of your cryptocurrency. And number 4, there's generally no cash flow. Now, I get it, there are ways for you to generate cash flow on cryptocurrency, but in general, if you just buy some cryptocurrency, you're not going to get any cash flow out of it like you would if you bought a dividend-paying stock or if you bought a rental property. Now that we've laid the foundation for real estate, stocks, and crypto, let's talk about what's better for you. And this is where I got to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. Investing has risks. You are never guaranteed to make money when you invest. In fact, you will lose money at some point, so make sure you always do your own due diligence and never blindly trust a random guy on YouTube. If you enjoyed this clip and you want to continue your financial education journey, I have another video that I think you'll love. All you got to do is click that button right over there. And for those of you who want to stay up to date on the top finance and business news, you can join Market Briefs, my free financial newsletter, by clicking that button below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.